The All-Party Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has expressed serious concern over the Indo-US joint statement and termed it as misleading. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said, "It was quite unfortunate that the joint statement did not mention the Kashmir dispute, Indian terrorism, human rights violations and arbitrary arrest of thousands of Kashmiris languishing in different jails of India and Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir." The All-Party Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the recent surge in the killing of innocent Kashmiris and fake encounters is a systematic genocidal campaign of Kashmiris by the Modi regime. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, said during the past 1 week, Indian forces martyred over 12 innocent Kashmiris in border areas near line of control. The political experts and analysts, in their interviews and statement in Srinagar, said Modi's government is trampling upon fundamental freedoms of religious minorities, and the Biden admin's rockstar reception to Modi, the butcher of Gujarat, is like rubbing salt in the wounds of Indian Muslims. The president of Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party, Mehbooba Mufti, has said that Jammu and Kashmir is a laboratory for the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. Mehbooba Mufti, talking to reporters in Patna a day after the opposition meeting, voiced fear of Kashmirization of the entire India if the party returned to power. Hundreds of worshippers held a peaceful protest demonstration in the premises of the Srinagar's Jamia Masjid against the continued house detention of senior leader of All Parties Hurriyat Conference and chief clerk of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Mirwais Umar Farooq. The Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Congress Committee Working President Raman Bhalla has expressed utter disappointment over the visit of Indian ministers to Jammu and Kashmir and termed it as a futile exercise since not even a single demand committed with the people has been fulfilled. Raman Bhalla, addressing a rally at Bishna in Jammu, termed these visits as eyewash and to divert public attention from the authorities' failure.